Hey everybody, just a reminder, we're still giving away the Buzz Cooks embroidered kitchen towel all the way through December. So at the end of this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and we're going to pick a random winner by everybody that commented and send out a Buzz Cooks embroidered kitchen towel. So get yours. Good luck to you. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, I was thinking about what to do this week, and I came up with something I haven't done yet. Spinach Artichoke Dip. Get some pita chips. You got a fantastic side dish for any party that you're gonna have for the holidays, or if you're having people over for the game, this is the perfect appetizer. Spinach Artichoke Dip. We're doing it next, so stick around. All right, let's get started on this amazing artichoke dip. It's good for any holiday party, any party at all. The big game, you name it, it's always good. So I got 1 can of artichoke hearts in water. We drained out the water, and now we're just gonna give these artichoke hearts a nice rough cut. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, just kind of cut them up into bite-sized pieces, and you'll be good to go. And then once we get these all cut up, we're going to put them into a large mixing bowl and get started with the rest of our ingredients, which will consist of 3 heaping spoons of mayonnaise, 3 heaping spoons of whipped cream cheese. It's got to be whipped cream cheese. And then I had 1 package of frozen spinach that I defrosted, and then I put in some cheesecloth to squeeze out as much of the liquid as I could. So it'll make it like a nice tight ball of spinach. That's why we have to break it up into little pieces back into our mixing bowl. And once we have the spinach in, we're going to go with 2 cheeses. We're going to go with the soft cheese and a hard cheese. Soft cheese would be havarti, 1.5 cup. We'll grate that in there. And as far as the hard cheese, we went with Parmesan cheese. So we'll grate a 1.5 cups of that in as well. And once we have all of our cheeses in, the only other thing we're going to add is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 garlic clove that we minced up nice and small. So we'll get all that into the bowl, and then it'll be time to start to fold everything together. Make sure you take your time here and get it thoroughly mixed. And once it's all mixed up, we're going to transport this to 2 serving dishes. So we're going to hit those with a little non-stick spray first. And then we'll get our large spoon out and we'll start to fill these up with our mixture. And while I'm loading these up, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you can. It'll help, and also put you in the running for that awesome embroidered kitchen towel that we're giving away all through the month of December. So we just about have all these 2 boats filled up. And we're going to put those onto a cookie sheet in case there's any spillage while they cook. And I'm going to pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. So my oven is preheated at 350. And once I put them in the oven, 30 minutes went by. I came and looked at them. And depending on your oven compared to my oven, I had to go another 10 minutes to get to the doneness look that I wanted. So go with 30 minutes. Check it. It may be done. You may have to go a little longer like I did to get the look you want, which is right there. And that's it. What I did was just served it with some nice pita chips, and you had an amazing artichoke dip ready to go. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, and good luck with that towel.